Alright, good morning people. Good morning, welcome back everyone. Let me just make sure it's all working. Yeah, cool. Awesome. Welcome back guys, welcome back. Happy Monday. Happy Monday everyone. We're back in the loft. We are back in the loft. Good morning Zoom guys, welcome back. Good morning everyone. The audio's breaking. Let me check. Let me have a look. It doesn't seem to be breaking for me. Sounds pretty fine on my side, if it's fine for everyone else. Yeah, sounds normal. Yeah, sounds normal to me. Hey Chris, Peter, what's going on? Welcome back guys. Sound sweet through here, thank you man. Good on Zoom, awesome. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Let's share the screen. Where are we? What have we done? Or have I broken this? There we go. There we go. Yeah, some what? Some nice sells on gold in Asia. For you guys who trade Asia, spoke about these levels in the market call to close doji around here. We actually broke above it, then grabbed the highs, closed back below. So selling at 2 AM London time to come down and fulfill this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This big range that we spoke about was a very, very nice trade. So good job if you guys did catch that. It was a very, very nice short. Very, very nice 100 tick trade. Literally done for the day in the Asian session. Huge move. We can get something like that in London. That would be beautiful. Beautiful. What time is it? Cool. Wait for the we'll wait for the hourly. Got some of it was clean as. Yeah, good man. Yeah, so clean man. It's just very, very simple trade. Extremely simple trade. Fake out. Easy retest. Big short. Big short. Good morning everyone. Good morning man. Good morning. I saw copper had a huge gap up and ripped our daily highs, which is pretty crazy. No trades on copper. We had buys on copper into the daily highs, but it just opened and ripped. We had these highs to come up and liquidate overall this week. But look at that. Excuse me. Came up and absolutely ripped them. So copper will be an interesting one to watch to see if we're going to pull back from these regions. That was my kind of upside targets, so that will be very interesting. We'll do some fresh analysis on copper today as well. Bless you. Thank you, man. Thank you. I just woke up, so the caffeine hasn't kicked in yet. Back on these European early morning grinds. Why is the YouTube chat is giving it from tomorrow's stream? I think. Yes, it is. Yeah. That's annoying. Why is it doing that? I'm gonna delete that one. Alright, there we go. It should be back on. Two seconds. Why is my trading view's not coming up? Technical problems already. 2 seconds, guys. For some reason, it's not letting me share trading view. Why is it not letting me share trading view? There we go. There we go. All right, that works. We're working. We're working. I feel like a bit of Monday morning technical issues. There we go. Should be working all good. You guys on YouTube, if it stops working, let me know. But it should be all good now. All right, let's have a look here, guys. Let's have a look on gold. See what we got for the day. Do a little bit of top down on the daily, but not really too much to say here. The only thing that is quite nice here is, you know, Friday came down, grabbed the lows, held support. And now we're right back at that support, already starting to see a bounce. So could we see a bounce back higher from here to come up and grab some of the daily highs? Possible. This is our range that we spoke about in our weekly market call. This range here, 100 tick range. You faked out of it, grabbed the lows, faked out of it, it came down, held it as support and already bounced back higher. So current hourly has, you can see here, grabbed the lows, closed bullish, and continued pushing up. So could you take buys on this current hour to continue pushing up into this range? Yeah, possibly. 30-minute closed a bit doji, so I probably want to see some lows being grabbed. Maybe come down, grab some 30-minute lows, hold this level, and then we could be looking for gold to fulfill this range. Let me just log into my Ninja. Into my Ninja Trader here, 2 seconds. I'm just going to send me an email. Approve device. Alright, there we go. I don't have to do that every time. Start live trading. Web. There we go. Alright, cool. Okay, we've got Ninja up there. But yeah, looking for gold to fulfill the rest of this range. Flip bullish and continue pushing up into this range and potentially come up to grab some highs. You could flip it from here, but if you flip it from here, stops have to be quite large. I'm not really interested in taking an hourly flip right now. You have just come down, you've grabbed the lows. If you maybe re-break some highs or close back bullish again on the 15, we can start to look for it. Absolutely, Chris. Absolutely, man. Yeah, look how nice themselves were in Asia. Grabbed the highs, closed back below, came up, re-grabbed all of the 15 highs, and reflipped bearish and just drove with amazing volume. Like, that was a huge trade. That was a beautiful trade. They're the trades you want. You had a clear target to come back down into our level, which was down here or somewhere. You had a liquidity grab here, another liquidity grab of a previous high, flip bearish, and just boom, amazing volume. Very, very nice Asia trade. I'm gonna have to go back to Australia. I got FOMO of Asia now. But yeah, we could come down and maybe we could come down and grab some of this trend line here as well. Spike down a little bit more of that trend line, retest this level, and then fulfill this range. Or if we do break aggressively below it, then we could short. But I'd have to see that hourly actually close bearish, because the past few hours grab the lows, close bullish, close bullish. So I wouldn't want to be shorting gold just yet. Wouldn't be selling gold just yet. Let's have a look at copper. Where are we? Let's have a look at copper. Also wait for gold. I was going to create a bit of a range, I think. Copper has had a crazy gap up and rip of the daily highs here, which is huge, absolutely huge of a gap. Now I don't know if gaps typically get filled on copper. I haven't traded it enough to know if that's how it works. Looks like it is a little bit. So we could come down to maybe fill in that gap on copper. And just overall, now that we've grabbed them daily highs, just come down for an overall retracement anyway. So that would definitely make sense. You've got some nice liquidity levels down here on copper. Let's have a look at the hourly. Hourly was a big wick rejection for the lows. So again, if we wanted to sell copper, we'd have to see the hourly actually just break back below this previous big resistance here. Break back below here on this next hour by about 8 AM. You could be short on copper as well. You can have a pretty decent pullback on copper. If you break back below here, even to fill in this little equal lows, about 60 ticks. Very nice. Very, very nice. I want to go Da Nang. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot, man. Amazing spot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video I posted yesterday as well. It's a very, very good spot, man. Very good spot. Just made you hungry. Nice. Yeah, it's a big food tour, I think. Good morning, man. What time is it? 7 AM 7 AM London time. Pushing down here on Goldie. 15 pushing down. Once I got 26 ticks, I got scared and close. Hey man, 26 in Asia is still great, man. 26 is still great. So it's just good to go back and see how you maybe could have held more, if you could have trailed, etc. 26 in Asia still on a Monday morning, still great, man. Good job. Still very nice. Let's have a look at this 5 minute here on gold. So what have we done? We've come up, we've grabbed the highs, we've closed bearish, we're currently top wicking. If I had downside targets, you could sell this current 5 minute, maybe into the trend line, but it's also just kind of choppy. Let me just readjust this little trend line. Like if you were to sell stop this 5, well, you'd be in there. Stop's going to be around 18. You're kind of shorting it right into support, so it's kind of tough. So I don't like that one. Let's have a look at the 30-minute faking out on copper as well. $15 close could be interesting on gold. 15 close could be interesting. We may have jumped on a little bit too early here on Goldie, but we'll see. We will see. Minute coming back up. Let's see, 15. Yeah, 15 is probably going to close. A bit doji here on gold. 15 on copper. Just in a bit of a range. You're going to need to see a lot more than this morning. A lot more than this. Let me get up the Topstep account as well. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. 15 about to close bullish there actually. Just came down, grabbed the 30-minute lows, which is what we said. Maybe leave that trend line for later on. That grab the lows on the 30 minutes quite nice there actually. Could you fake out buys off this little level if you get an instant bottom wick and manage off that, given that that overall time frame is bullish? 30 minutes just grab the lows, 5 minutes potentially about to fake out. What would the stops be if you got buys from here? Stops would be about 19 to see if you can maybe get 50. Let's see. Would have to close above. Would have to close above. Otherwise that 15 will be closing a bit bearish. 10 seconds. Let's see if we can see if this gold can close above for a fake out. Nah, not the best close. I was hoping it was going to close much stronger for a bigger fake out. But what would that look like? You'd have to be somewhere like that. Management here. 10, 15 there. Can't see the 15 just closed very doji, but it did grab a lot of lows. Came down, grabbed a lot of lows. You also grabbed the 30-minute lows. See here, grabbed the previous 30-minute lows, held this level here. Unless you get a steeper bottom wick and you can get a good buy stop, maybe. Because if it doesn't flip, then you don't get tagged in. But you could push from here. I just don't think it's worth it coming straight into that resistance. first thing on a Monday. I think you get an easier trade than that. What would that range be? 10, 50. Yeah, last day of the month. Yeah, that's true. Last day of the month today. Yeah. Good morning, all. Good morning, man. Nah, for copper, I just look at the futures chart. I've never traded it before, so I don't really. The reason I look at the currency chart here on gold and not the futures chart is because that's what I've always traded, so I'm used to how that moves. I never really traded copper before, so I may as well just get used to watching the futures chart if you're going to be trading futures. Kind of the easiest, man. Like if I was brand new to trading gold, I would just get used to trading the futures chart. The only reason I watch the currency chart is because we've traded that for so long and we understand the liquidity grabs more. And from what I've seen so far, yeah, copper's futures chart does grab the highs and lows, just the same really. Gonna leave 2 30-minute equal highs there as well, which is quite nice. 15 grabbing the highs closing bearish, grabbing the lows closing doji. Doji. So what did you do? Kind of faked out of what? Support, broke below, broke straight back above. Support again. Could easily just, which I think maybe waiting for a closure above the top level may be the safest. Right, something like that. Something like that. It'd be better if we had a decent liquidity level to target. People will be watching here-ish, here. $20 ticks, not bad. Not bad. We want to see some volume though, I want to see some volume. Copper coming back down as well. Why does it go up? Copper coming back down. 15 rejected. Straight into resistance. Straight back down. Gold back down here as well now. Very choppy. Third touch of a trend line here as well. Looking like we're going to bounce off it, fake out and push up first, but now you're coming back down. You could come and maybe grab some of these lows. Second touch of the trend line would be around here. Top wick, could you sell it? 19. If you don't grab these lows, top wick, you could potentially look for sells on that actually. That could be a nice little scalp on that, straight down. Now grab the lows instantly. Because you're just grabbing previous 15 lows again. Look at that, grabbing the 15 lows again. You need to be very patient this morning. We got no real liquidity levels just yet, so we need a lot more than this. Copper's pushing down here actually. Copper may give the breakout. Copper's pushing down pretty well. Not enough to take a. I'm not confident enough on copper to take a trade in my personal yet. That's for sure. Maybe on a combine. So I'm gonna take a trade on copper. Nice. Yeah, look at a 15 there on Goldie. Coming down, re-grab in the lows. If you hold this level, then you got great longs. But if you close below, you need to wait for price to close back above. He's bullish. Absolutely. Oh. Hey Jaden, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Yeah, copper looking. Copper have more volume than Goldie so far. Yeah, I'm still in Barcelona, man. Yep, I am. We got a big week coming up this week. Got NFP as well. NFP week this week. Last trading day of the month today as well. I'd love it if this 15 on gold can close back above here so we can take that 30-minute flip. I don't think it's going to. Big push down on copper. Big push. Hiya Brett, what's going on, man? Isn't it daylight savings in Australia? Or London soon? Daylight savings UK. 27th of October in the UK. And 7th last night. So what time is it there? 7. Yeah. It's not ideal when it changes in London because then the times get even worse. Streaming starts at like 5 PM, but I tell Mike I do not want to stream. Yeah, when they change in London and Australia because they don't change in Queensland, it gets even tougher. Which they change in London on the last Sunday of October. It's about a month. Five-minute closing bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Gold. It's pretty ugly right now. You guys on YouTube, 140 people tune in. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. See if we get any plays today. Nice video about Vietnam. Thank you, man. Thank you. Remember guys, you guys on YouTube, well and you guys on Zoom if you do want to read it, the free day trading ebook is out now. Had quite a few signups. Send it here for you, man. Send it here, man. And we got to 30 close. We got 3 minutes. I would love it if this gold can close back above this level and we can take this 30 flip higher. I would love that. I just posted it. If this 30 doesn't close bullish and it closes doji, I do still like longs, but the longs may come in the next hour. Could bottom wick come down, grab the lows, and then we could potentially see it. Well, let's see actually. This actually all of a sudden might start flipping. Remember, 5 minute back above this level, you got buys again. You came down, you grabbed the 15-minute lows. You hold back above this level. We still have longs. We still have longs. Look at this nice volume towards the end of the 30 close here. Let's see, one more minute. I want to see it close there. If it rips from here, I don't care. I need to see it close. Trade futures personal as well, man. Futures on funding and personal. You can trade the currency for more of a higher time frame plays with me now. Look at this nice push now, Goldie. Don't just rip though. I want to see it actually close and give us an entry, but this is nice. 30-minute came down, grabbed the lows, reflipping back bullish. Oh shit, sorry, man. Thank you. My bad. Yeah, came down, grabbed the lows, now reflipping bullish. Shame it took so long. That's already flipping up 15 ticks. As long as you don't rip them highs, too late. We've literally just pushed in that 5 minutes. Typical Goldie. Unless we get like an instant bottom wick, we can look to buy off this level, manage off that level as well. But in this 5 minute, you just ripped the entire range. Yeah, no, literally just ripped it. So if we get a very instant nice bottom wick with no top wick on the 30, we can look for longs, but it's almost just fulfilled the whole entire range. Let's see, instant bottom wick to this level, and we'll see if we can get it. Just to come up and play this little area. What is it? 20 ticks? No, need more than that. Pushed up as we wanted. It's a shame we couldn't just maybe just close like back above there, bottom wick, and then take it. Just came up and ripped the whole range. That's a pretty nice 30-minute close. You came down, grabbed the lows, closed bullish. So now we're going to be looking to play something like this, maybe. It's pretty ugly in here now. Maybe if this 5 can flip bullish, could we continue pushing up? Yeah, probably. Let's see. Where do you manage off? Manage off the lows, probably down here. Am I probably gonna go half risk today. Let me see. I have to get some time. Where are we? Futures is too close to flipping for me. No, I'm not putting that in. Why can I not make Ninja bigger? I mean, if this 5 flip can flip, there, you know, it is there. But the futures is basically already flipping, so I can't even put this in properly. I can't zoom in on here. Why can't I not zoom in? Actually, yeah, let me put on a. I'm gonna take it on personal. Let me put on a combine. Where are we? Where's Topstep? Let me see if I can get this 5 flip on combine. The range is too small for me to want to take some personal. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where are we? Topstep. Alright, I'm gonna put this. I'm putting the buy on. I'm just taking it on a combine, not taking it on personal. At 80.8. 80.8 here on gold. Here. On the flip of the 5 to see if we can continue pushing it up. About 25. Like I say, I'm only taking this on a combine. I'm not trading personal in this range. Combine only. If the 5 minute closes back into the range, you could be grabbing hourly highs just to continue ranging. So you do have to be wary of that. So if the 5 minute doesn't flip, which actually is clearly not going to, so let's just cancel. Cancel, cancel, cancel. It's pushed down too much now. Look at that hourly. Hourly could be grabbing previous hourly highs to close back into the range. It was looking like we're going to get that nice nice breakout there after grabbing the lows, but this 5 minute closes back into this range. You could, again, maybe reconsider the downside again, but 30 grab the lows and close bullish. Hourly is kind of telling me something different. 4 hourly is just at a very, very ugly area. 4 hourly is pretty much in this big, massive range. You gotta be very careful trading anywhere in here. So you could literally just say to yourself, wait for it to break out of there. But yeah, I've cancelled that buy stop now. No buy stops here on gold. Too messy. Way too messy. Kind of anywhere in this area is really tough. Anywhere in here. Look at the price action to the left. Look at this. Do you want to be trading in shit like this? Absolutely not. Right in the middle of the range. If you're going to trade a range, you're going to trade the highs or the lows, not in the middle. And we're pretty much right now right in the middle, unfortunately. Unfortunately. More speech and power. Yeah, all good, man. Talk to you soon, man. Make sure I've cancelled that properly. Yeah, cancelled. Copper's trying to pull back as well. Pretty strong 15 close on copper. Could you reflip the 15 to push down to lows? 20? Nah, stops are way too big for 20. Oh, wow. 5 minute close back into the range, pushing lower. Yeah, HGZ, man. HGZ. Well, I think if you actually just type in HG on corporate, it comes up as that. Yeah. On Topstep X anyway. Gold monthly contract. One December contract, I believe. Let me have a look. Where are we? Yeah, December contracts on gold, which is Z, GCZ. Hey Aaron, do you have a rule? How many trades you take per day? Good question, man. It doesn't have written, but if you lose 20 ticks in a row, so yeah, if I was to lose 2 trades in a row, yeah, I'll definitely stop, man. Yep. That's if I was to take like 2 full stop losses without managing in a row, then definitely I'd be out. So say if your max loss was like 40 ticks in a day, but if I took buys here and I cut it at like -10, then I could still have a few more trades for the day. All depends on how I feel mentally. Yeah, if I for some reason lost 2 20-tick trades in a row, yeah, I would definitely be done. Yeah, I'll be done back tomorrow.
I'm good. How are you?
That's good. I'm pretty good. There's a few things I want done. If you could come and see me when you get them in.
Yeah, two full losses and I'd be out. It'd be more than enough for me. But you know, if you can cut your trades before that, as long as I feel like I'm still mentally in the zone, yeah, I can take more than 2 trades, man. Definitely. Honestly, it depends on how I feel. I think that's one of the biggest things in trading, is just actually recognizing how you feel. As long as you feel like you're still in the zone, you know, you're not making any stupid emotional decisions. Same as when you're, you know, it's kind of, you got to find the same balance about when you're winning as well. You know, when the markets are doing good, do you keep trading because the markets are following your plan, or do you stop? It's kind of hard to find that balance, but you know, if the markets are, like, people will take one winner for the day and then just call it and be done. But so now if the markets are moving good with good volume, like, we should be taking advantage of that at the same time. You know, when the markets are good, we gotta maximize that. Maximize our winning days as much as we can, which is, again, another very hard thing to do. Goldie's still pushing down here. To catch some sells this morning. Just if yeah, good man. Yeah, sells were beautiful today on gold, man. Risking on Topstep between, like, depends what account size. On my 150 combine here, I could trade 2 to 5 contracts maybe. On a 50, micros to 1 mini. Again, depends on the markets. Like for instance, today on gold, putting in these buy stops, just put in a half risk just because we're pretty choppy. If the markets were moving very well with good volume, then I would trade full size as well. I think a lot of people try and systemize the markets a bit too much, which is good in a way to try and systemize your plan. Sometimes it's not that easy. Not for me anyway. Some people are like, right, on every trade, I'm going to take 1% risk, and I'm going to go for a 1 to 3 risk reward on every single trade. It's like, man, if trading was that easy, we'd all be very fucking rich. It's pretty tough. Yeah, I did yesterday, man. Yep. I did yesterday, but maybe still under a bench somewhere. Maybe. Is it bad that even if I lose 10 trades in 10 trades, I'm still mentally okay? Being mentally okay, definitely, but wanting to refine your plan after taking 10 losses in a row, I would definitely try and work on that. But being mentally okay, yeah, that's what you want, man. That's amazing. You want to lose money in the markets and have no emotions. That's what it's all about. But if you take 10 losses in a row, I would try and refine the plan a little bit more. I used to even take like I could take like 5 losses in a row, 4 or 5 losses in a row. Still be profitable, but then I'd always be looking for that, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 10 risk reward to try and make back the losses, which mentally didn't sit right with me. I personally would rather have more consistent smaller wins than trying to get that one sort of jackpot trade, I guess you could say. Goldie's still pushing down. Copper had a big push down and straight pushing back higher because you're back at that hourly support. I take much less trades since I've joined this group. Yeah, that's good, man. It's good. 5 losses in depression. Look at this on copper. Straight back higher. Oh, shoot.
Recording in progress.
Better late than never. Even a 30-minute close bearish, but look at the hourly. Still that big hourly, yeah, and big 4-hourly level as well. I do think copper would make sense to wick some of these 4-hour lows though, but it's a big level. Look at that 4-hour. That's crazy. Gap up, rip them daily highs, and close aggressively doji. Both are a little bit choppy to start, Dave, so alright. We got time, sorry, Monday morning. We got time. $15 is about to close on gold. Potentially bearish. 15 on copper, about to close bullish. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm going to fill up my water. We'll wait for this 15 hourly close. That'll be 2 minutes. back, guys. We're back. We are back. Let's have a look at these 15 closes on gold. 15 on gold is closed. Bullish, bearish, doji, bullish, bearish. Currently pulling back higher. Copper 15-minute reclose back bullish. It's not enough to take fake outs yet. Yeah, I took all of the gold liquidity. Hello from Australia. Hello, man. Hello. All of the trades. But yeah, a little bit choppy here to start there, guys, but it's okay. We got time. We don't have to force anything just yet. It's only Monday. It's also only not even 8 AM London time. I swear since we've started jumping on it about 6 AM-ish, the markets have done absolutely nothing, which is a coincidence or they're watching us. I'm not sure. We'll be back on Topstep TV this week. Back on Topstep TV on Wednesday, which will be cool.
Gonna be trading it?
Sorry, man.
You trading or just as a guest?
I'm not too sure actually, man. I'm not too sure. I'm on the power players, but they're trying to get me onto power hour. Well, I will actually be trading as well, so I'll definitely be breaking down the charts for sure.
Very nice. Good shit, mate.
Take some gold trades with the Topstep crew. That'd be pretty cool. Just got 50 ticks on NQ. Is NQ moving better than gold? Yep. Very nice, man. Very nice. Excuse me. Hello, Chow. Yeah, get your autographs in now. Absolutely. Do a special deal. Special deal. Bless you. Thank you. Come on, Goldie, give us something. Maybe this, hopefully we get volume in the next 10 minutes, which usually comes at the end of the hourly. And then this hourly can break out in either direction, I don't care. Just break out with volume. You know, if you break the downside, you could come in and fill in this wick. You break the upside, you could come in and grab the highs. So we have trades on either side of gold. That's the nice thing. We just need that volume. Coming down to re-grab that wick wouldn't be too bad of a shout. And even if this hourly's crap and the highs and closes bearish, top wick, potential evening star on the next hour. People in the community, that's not really relevant to be honest, man. What's the purpose of that? I'm all sick today. I'm all sick. I just need the caffeine to kick in. That's nice. No, I said I would if it got messy. There's just over 100. It's still very clean in there. I'll stop it if it ever becomes toxic and remove people. But it's not. If it just becomes a shit show and everyone's just spamming, then I would cap it. But right now we got everyone in there is great. Very good people in there. Difference between the currency and the futures, man, is just the currency chart grabs highs and lows a little bit more than the futures. So if you're waiting for like a futures liquidity grab, it won't happen as much as it does in the currency, and you could miss the trade. So I found if I just watch the currency, it just makes it a lot easier, man. Good morning, man. Still room in the community. Community is never locked off, man. Community will only be locked off, like I say, if it becomes spammed, then it'll be one in, one out. But no, absolutely it's still open, man, yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Always for you, Dossie, always for you, man. Always a special place for you. Yeah, this is what we're doing now, man, yep. This is daily live streams. What about me? Nah, banned. Absolutely. Room for everyone. Instant ban. Instant timeout on the YouTube chat as well. Too much hate. So if this hourly is going to close like this on gold, we want to see next hourly top wick and then see if we can just get this pullback. That's all I can really see right now. Number one train, you become the second. I'll be waiting. Yeah, we can definitely have a look, man. Yeah, for sure. Definitely have a look. Send it over, man. Send it over. Look at this 15 on gold. It kind of does look like, you know, we've had this big push down, and we're kind of chopping up like this. Are we gonna continue pushing down? Well, because we've had this big push down, and we're kind of chopping up like this, are we gonna come down and then go up, maybe? Either way, we've had a big push up, ranged, big push down, kind of ranging. So we kind of want to be following this for now. Unless we get a massive push up, then cool, then we'll take it. But we want to be reacting to what we've seen so far. And that's gold. Gold has been in this little downtrend. We've had this nice big push down. Could we be coming down to re-grab these lows? I think it would make the most sense before then. Seeing a potential big push. Oh, what have I done? We also got to remember the 4 hour is, you know, in an extremely messy area. The only thing we do like is we could come down and re-grab the lows. But the 4 hour, anywhere in between here is pretty tough. Pretty tough. Copper price action is pretty messy so far as well. Dossie, what do you want? This is so good. You don't like. Yeah, definitely, bro. Yeah, let's have a look. Man, goals not doing anything, so let's have a look. Let's have a look. So let's have a look at the monthly. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Because the monthly is about to close today, so it's important to have a look at these monthly closes. And it looks like we're going to continue pushing down. Back at a very, where's 100? Oh, let's just make this. Let's make this 100. So we got 100 there, which is a very strong level. But overall, where are we? I would imagine the US dollar next month top wick, and then continue pushing lower. How low? I'm not too sure. But back down into these lows, I'd say that's probably a pretty easy target. So US dollar to continue getting weaker would make a lot of sense. At least, you know, to come back down into that 100 next month. But could you see some short-term bullishness before that? Yeah, probably, with the way that weekly's closed, grabbing the lows, fading to close back below support. Daily, super messy, but to continue pushing down. It's kind of like you had this big push down, you're kind of chopping around like this, you're chopping in here. It almost looks like you could see maybe something like that before then seeing that. Maybe to come up and grab some highs first up here before then seeing that big push down. I think that would make sense. If I was to draw some liquidity levels, because it does follow the same plans, I would have some highs up here. Because it's like, you know, you're chopping down in here a lot. So to then pull back, grab the highs, and then push down. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, so is Bitcoin. Probably got some. So maybe some short-term bullishness into early next month. And then to continue pushing down. But overall, yeah, overall I'd expect it to continue selling off, yeah. But these would be levels I would be watching. You kind of have already come down, grab these lows, holding the support. So maybe some short-term bullishness in the US dollar, gold to go down. And that could make sense. If you're looking at something similar, man. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Beautiful push. Beautiful push on Bitcoin. That was amazing. Look at this. Monthly time frame bouncing off that 55,000 region is beautiful. Look at that. Rejected. Came down, grabbed the lows. Buying here in September. This is a beautiful 20% return, and you'll probably continue pushing up from here. Bitcoin's looking beautiful. Instant bottom wick on this weekly as well. And that was our liquidity level. Broken back above 65s. So this week to bottom wick. Continue pushing. Could even maybe come back down, retest 60s one more time on Bitcoin. And then to come up and retest the highs, 75,000. And I think once you get to the 75s, you should be pretty good to see 10s from there. No, 75 and then 10s. There's no moon. No such thing. Nah, I'm joking. Look, nah, it looks good. It looks good to continue pushing up. In my unbiased opinion. It does look nice. So gold hourly has just closed doji, instant top wicking, and now I do quite like this for sells. Actually, I do like this for sells. As long as you can respect this previous high, I like this for sells. Let me get rid of this. Respect anywhere in here. I'll probably wait for a breakout, maybe back below here, and I can look for some sells on gold for that hourly to respect this high and continue pushing down. If you re-break that hourly high, then we'll reassess. But to me, this looks like you've come up, you've rejected, you grabbed the highs. So as long as you reject from this region, hourly to flip bearish, Just to pull back down into here would be nice. Alright, apparently the fucking construction men are starting to. 2 seconds, guys. Been telling you for over 8 years. Man, I didn't have any. I was broke then. You should have lent me some money so I could do it. Giving me some money to invest. You're the money man. Charles traveling all around the UK, flogging shoes to buy Bitcoin. Like a proper furu. Dodgy man. Be careful of that man. Sorry guys, if you can hear that banging, it's actually coming from my building, so nothing I can do, it's pretty annoying. I'm moving into my new place tomorrow, which will be nice. Not much. Biggest spot that I'm moving into. Tomorrow, yeah, wow, I should need to pack. Buy Bitcoins or your gold products. Yeah, I will when it goes back down to the 10s. Yeah, if you're getting it on demo and not on the live markets, yeah, it's purely emotions. And on demo, like demo has zero relation to real trading. That's why I say to people, trade demo to get used to how to buy and sell, and then go move to a funding firm or something, because it's cheap. It's not going to cost you very much. It's going to teach you real emotions. Trading demo has no benefits to live markets. Fucking zero. Nothing you're going to learn in demo is going to teach you other than basic things. But the hardest thing in trading you're never going to learn from trading demo. Starting to pull back here on gold, which is nice. This is what I like to see. Respecting that previous hourly. You start to close bearish from here, and I'm going to look for some sells on gold. This is nice. This is very nice. Come on, Chris. Hey Mikey, what's going on, man? Charts are looking choppy right now, man, but they could be shaping up very soon for some sells. If we do get this, I'll be taking this on my personal. Fucking hell. Sorry guys, you can hear that construction in the background. Someone's just started fucking drilling, like literally underneath me. I'll go down them and tell them, stop, you do realise we're trying to stream and make money right now. I think you can hear it as well. You can't hear it on Zoom? You can on YouTube, that's crazy. It's really fucking annoying on Zoom, on YouTube as well. Oh. It's like vibrating the whole floor. So top wick on this next 5 and we could have some sells risking off here. Based off the hourly. Based off the hourly. Stop loss there is very valid. If you break that high, you're going to come much higher. So risking off that high makes a lot of sense. So we'll see if this 5 minute can close back below this level. Top wick, hold this. And then we could see some pretty decent shorts. I don't think it's going to be an easy trade. We might have to let it breathe for a little bit. But just looking at this hourly, this to me looks good on gold. This looks like a great sell. To at least come down and re-grab some hourly lows. Like I say, if you re-break this high, you're going to come much higher. So you can get a pretty valid stop as well. Previous hourly low is here, so you've managed about 30 ticks. Don't close like this though. I want to see it fake out back below this level and I'll short it. I'm not going to short it if you close like this. Come on, Goldie, close back below. No. Fuck, that wasn't the best close. I don't think it was a good enough close for me to want to short. No, not. I can't short off that. It has two. I want to see us close back below here. I mean, unless this 5 now flips bearish, I don't think it will. But if it does, then you could look at something like that. Sell stop below the low. If it does flip bearish, you can see if you get that push down. It's quite aggressive. Push back higher. Kind of want to see us break out of. Just close back below this little level. That drilling is really long. What's copper up to? Copper's chilling as well. Come on, Goldie. Yeah, 15's pretty ugly. See, the lower time frame is ugly, but I'm trying to base this off the hourly. Well, not if you break. If you break this high, you'll come higher. But I have no reason to go long yet on gold. Yeah, you could look for the flip of the candle, but I don't think you're gonna push now. I think you're gonna come higher. Looking likely you're gonna re-grab these highs now. If you were gonna push, you would have done it already. You re-break this high, you're probably gonna come higher. How high? I don't really have a target, to be honest. I don't really have a reason to go for a big push long. 30 is kind of, it's grabbing the lows, it is holding support, but you're also holding resistance. And you're coming into a big level here. Big level, big support, resistance, broke above support. I can't believe you guys on Zoom can't hear that drilling. Fuck, it's so loud. Could have pre-warned me about that. Good thing it's my last day here today. So we got liquidity here and here. Yeah, I can't hear, it's crazy. Crazy. So we've got sells if we can get back below here. And for buys, much more. Much more. Yeah, maybe, but I'm just using my or maybe it's just Zoom that does it. I'm just using my my Mac. The Zoom ID is for people's Discord, not on YouTube, man. Yeah, it might actually just be Zoom that's muting it, which is pretty cool. Pretty clever. Yeah, Zoom removes background noises. Yeah, nice. Yeah. I wish I could remove background noises. yeah. I actually just set that up. So everyone on YouTube, you got to join the Zoom where it cancels the noise out. Oh, come on, gold. Oh. what we're going to do, we're going to dip back lower again. You've come quite close to that hourly high now. No, you could still dip from there. Re-grab that 5-minute high, which I wasn't expecting. You're trying to, Goldie. I do like these cells. Oh man, he's proper getting stuck into it. I know, he could be up here. Put the tools down. Come and watch this live stream because we're about to get some gold cells. Uh, 15's just closed there on gold. Bullish, unfortunately. The shorts still are based off the hourly, but would I trade against a strong 15-minute close? Not really. I just want to see it. I want to see at least a 5-minute breakout, at least. Should probably even wait for a 15, but I have more reasons to take sells right now. The only reason I don't like longs just yet is just because we're at such a big 4-hour level. Like if you buy gold, you're buying gold right into major 4-hour resistance. Look at this, it's huge. And I have no liquidity targets. Not even on the hourly. That's why the sells in Asia were so nice, because you had a liquidity grab. Came up, grab the highs, close bearish, cool, then you short that one. I don't really have that right now. Unless maybe we've got a trend line, maybe. Could still come up much higher before that. That could easily still pull back before pushing. That's what I do like overall here on gold. Come down, grab some of these lows, and then to grab this trend line. That's my, it's my overall plan. But we're just in a bit of a tough area. Bit of a tough area. Come on, Goldie, give us a nice bearish close top wick and we get some sells. Be good to us. Fucking hell. If we make some bank, then I can leave and not have to listen to that drilling noise. And then go get some breakfast. So, we get a nice bearish close here, top wick. Short into a 15-minute fake out. 30-minute also holding this resistance after grabbing the highs. I have to get my noise cancelling headphones in a minute. Fuck me. Yeah, true. That's very true. What's worse, the mouse clicking or the drilling of the absolute construction site underneath me today, apparently. About to close respect and support. I know. Nope. No, Goldie. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm gonna grab my headphones. This is great. It's getting louder. 2 seconds. Let me see if this works. I already said, man, the Zoom's for people in the community, man. I already said that. The Zoom's in Discord, man. Let me see if I can change this over here. Let's see. How do I change it on here? Alright, is that better for you guys on YouTube? Is that better? Sounds better already. It's better? Sounds better, cool. Almost no background noise, there you go, nice. I can still hear the drilling, sounds like it's coming from my head, but yeah, nice. There we go, awesome. Yeah, last day of the month volume, possibly. It looks like it, man. I'm trying to hold this level. I just 15 is still holding it. 30-minute. Trying to break higher. Trying. What's copper up to? Is copper showing us Goldie's trying to break out here. Trying to. I wish I had a reason to jump in longs. Am I missing anything? Do we have any liquidity targets? I don't think so. Like, is there a reason that we could take this 15 and 30-minute breakout in the next 5 minutes? Because we're coming right into like a look at this big level here, big support, fake out, support, big resistance. Oh, look at this, look at that. Very tough. Let's see. See, it's 15-minute close on gold. I do still prefer shorts from this area. Look how many lows we have down here. To me, this is still going to be an interesting area. Much more interesting than any upside, that's for sure. Yeah, a bit of a chop day today, guys. A bit of a chop day. Gonna have to be an alert day soon. What time is it? 8:30 London time. Trend line's coming up. You're grabbing the highs again. Surprised to see you re-grab the highs, but looks like we are. Still, if we can get back below here, I really like ourselves. But I won't be shorting it until you get at least back below this level. We're going to get this 30-minute close in 1 minute here as well. 30-minute close. Let's have a look. Again, grabbing the highs, grabbing the lows. Instant bottom wick as well. Broken back below this level. Surprised to see us come up and re-grab them hourly highs again. Maybe we need that extra liquidity. If we do break down from here, though, that will be another liquidity grab. But if we're going to sell gold, I have to see a top wick on this 30. So it needs to give me a top wick. Even if we do break out from here, I'm open to it, but I'm skeptical with no top wick. Look how choppy this 30 is. Been choppy since about 6:30 London time. Doji, bullish, bearish, bullish. Currently closing, pushing down. No top wick. No top wick, meaning we could come up and create one at any point. Copper's coming down for the lows. Don't really see a... Not your trade. Yeah, it's horrible, man. It's awful. Especially with no top wick in this 30, so you can't even really short this. If we had a top wick, I would short this breakout, but we don't even have a top wick in this current 30, which is really annoying. Hourly still looking good for shorts, though. I do still like this hourly. But it wouldn't be a scalp, even more of a execute and forget and leave it. Short, risk off the highs. Potential 100 ticker. If we create the top wick and then re-break back down, cool. Sells. But yeah, we're just creating a range. So when it's like this, obviously, literally, it's pretty easy to trade. You just manage off the 30 minutes ranging. There's no point watching the 5 minute. So you literally just come back at the next 30 close. Have we broken out? No, cool. Come back at the next 30 close. Have we broken out? Yeah, cool. Take a trade. And you can pretty much do that on the go. You can just check your phone. Is the 30 minute broken out? Yes or no? Takes 2 seconds of analysis. Which I'll give it to this next 30. If this next 30 doesn't break out, yeah, that'll be it for London for me today. Until we just break out. Because I want to get chopped up here on Goldie. 30 minute support right there, so I won't be trading until we get a break out of that. And all we really want to see is something like that. Now that you've re-grabbed the highs again, break out, little top wick, and then see if you can get that nice push. You can consider some longs on gold. If the 4 hour breaks out, maybe. You do have this nice trend line coming down here as well. But again, you're also at major 4 hour resistance. Even if we're going to grab that trend line, seeing something like this, wouldn't surprise me. I can see anything on gold right now. I can see both sides. Which if you can jump on, you can see reasons to go long and short. Then you want the markets to tell you which way they're going to break out, and then you can react off it. You want to let the markets come to you. Don't chase the markets when you're in these ranges. Oh, let's have a look, man. Look at that. That's beautiful, Joe. Is that in Thailand? That's beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's sick, man. That's stunning. What a spot. I think it's about to break out with good volume. Really annoying there's no top wick on this 30 because I'm tempted to short this. Let's see if we get an instant top wick here. Instant top wick to here, and we'll see if we can get these shorts and just manage aggressively if you don't drive. I'll tell you guys if I do get the shorts. See if we get on a combine again. It's annoying that there's no top wick on this 30 because I'd have more reasons to short the personal. You can even just take the flip. The reason I'm not taking the flip is I'm being more picky with my entries because there's no top wick in the 30. So I'm not in. It is, yeah, it is. Even the hourly is looking great. Hourly's looking really nice. You may actually just push from here. What's that? 15 ticks. Hourly's looking really, really nice. Look at that hourly. Re-grabbing the highs. Starting to flip bearish. $30. Horrible. We'll see if this next 5 can come up, give us a top wick, and then take it. Otherwise, if you just push from here, you know the risk rewards not worth it. But there's that breakout of that level that we had. Did give the little instant top wick. Shame there's no top wick in that 30. And there's that push down, like I said, breakout, closure below this level, and we can see the sells. But would we ever take a sell, even when a 30 has no top wick? No. No. I wouldn't anyway. What is that? Look at that. What would be hitting? 15. We would have been risking about 18. What's the cost of? No, I didn't actually, man. I didn't. I actually didn't. Let me type it in here. So you've come down, you've now grabbed them lows on gold, which was that trend line as well. Blink twice, that sounds familiar. Why does it sound familiar? Knock 39 ticks. Nice. I'd love to be in this short. Look at that. 36, huge. Man. 15. To be fair, if this 15 does still, break out, you could still get top wick. You still got some more downside here. $39 ticks in this range is great though, man. 39 ticks is amazing. Not even a little bit of the top wick on that 30. Just open and straight push. Yeah, back at a strong level. Strong level. How did you overcome the moment when you closed your trade early, then price went your way? If you close your trade early, you're not following a plan. You're just entering random things. Your trading plan should tell you when you get out of a trade. If you just keep closing trades just out of complete randomness, then you're just going to go around in circles. Now you need to build a trading plan that tells you when you should be exiting your trades, when you should be entering, when you should be exiting. There's no emotions, or there's no question of like, oh, should I close the trade? What does your plan tell you to do? If you don't have a plan, you should be trading. Everyone needs a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, then stop trading live markets, because you'll just go round and round in circles. You need to build one. It takes time to build one as well. It takes time. But if you ever want to close a trade because you don't like the look of the price action, and then it pushes in your favor, well, rather than just closing it at like a little bit of profit, just go to break even. Just go to break even. If you don't like the look of the trade, or you're not too sure and it's like hovering around your entry, either just close it or just go to break even. If it then pushes in your favor, well, like I said before, you don't become a professional trader off what happened on one trade scenario. What happens over 100 plus trades? Over 100 plus trades, if every time you close at break even it pushes in your favor, then just stop going to break even. Just let your trade breathe. It's super simple. And if you don't have that many trades, then again, you need to build that data. There's no in professional trading. There's no guesswork. There's no, oh, should I close? What should I enter now? Should I not enter now? Should I manage? There's no question. It's simply, is your plan that you know works presenting an opportunity? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, cool, take the trade. If the answer is no, then don't take the trade. If the answer is, oh, I'm not really too sure, well, then you shouldn't be live trading. You need to build more data to know what works over a long period of time. There's no guesswork in this game. It's like, oh, I don't know. I don't know if I should take this trade, or it's like, oh, should I get out this trade, or I'm not really too sure. There's your answer as to if you should even be in the trade. The answer is no, because you're not ready to be in that market yet. You just got to build that data Build that plan. I won't be entering longs on gold. I won't be taking longs at all, man. 15 just closed very bearish. Even if it does flip bullish, I personally won't be taking it. I wouldn't take buys on gold till you maybe get back above this big level here. That big level, man. You can create my plan for 2.5 years. Yeah, amazing, man. Amazing. It's good, man. It's good. You're always refining it, always building it. That's it, man. Topstep TV on Wednesday. Let's go. Yes, sir. Looking forward to it, man. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Teach how to make it. I don't teach how to make a trading plan. I share my trading plan. There's not really anything to teach into building a trading plan. You need to find out what works for you. But yeah, my whole trading plan is in the community, man. Yep. And you see me execute that every day here. That's what these streams are all about. Yeah, no top wick in the next 15 again. If it just pushes down, I don't care. But wait for this next 15 close. If it closes bearish on the top wick, I'll probably be done for the day. For London anyway, see what New York brings. Pushing down beautifully. No top wick on the 30. No top wick in the past 2 15s. They're not my trades. I don't think I've ever taken a good trade, especially when there's no 30 top wick and no 2 15 top wicks. So I can say, if it just rips down, we don't care. That's not our trade. That's not our trade. Owly was beautiful though. Owly literally did what we wanted. Wanted it to drop from this one actually, but then you came all the way up, re-grabbed the highs, and now flipping bearish. Look at that, flipping bearish. Still only 30 ticks. It looks like a huge push down. We still haven't really done anything today. 30 minutes still hasn't even broken out yet. $2.26 grab lows. Yeah, nice. If you got the quick scalp, yeah. On that 5-minute breakout. Yeah, nice. Sold at 59.91. 1.91. Nice. Very nice, man. No, I won't be live for New York. Maybe some sessions this week, maybe. Could maybe squeeze some in. Also check into my new place. If there's anything worth jumping on for. But it is also NFP week. Nah, not really sure. Nah, not really, man. I'll probably maybe trade a little bit in New York if I want to watch it, but nah, I won't really be changing anything like that, to be honest. It's so annoying seeing this push on gold. The whole short we wanted, literally just no top wicks on any of the 15s is crazy. But yeah, pushing down like that, guys, that's pretty much the day done. There's no point watching this now. It's pushed down, no top wick on any of the 215s. That's all my downside to go short. So for the rest of the day, maybe now you'll have to watch the hourly close, but that's my downside targets. You're coming into these big levels of support where you could just range in between here and here. So for the rest of the day now, all I'm going to do is just Well, I'm not going to watch. I'm going to take a break for like a couple of hours. There's going to be no trades for the next few hours on gold. But all you want to do is just wait for a breakout of this massive range now. It's a shame there was no opportunity to get them shorts because the whole move down we wanted. But now you're about to come right back into the support. They're just going to continue to go sideways. So you may as well come back in like 2-3 hours and see if you break out. No top wicks on the past 2 50-minute candles is never a time where I don't think we've ever taken a trade like that. So if you see it push down with no top wick on the 2 50-minute candles, just is what it is. Can't really control that. So you guys on Zoom, I'll let you guys go. There's no point watching this. We'll wait for it to break out and we'll jump back on the pre-New York market calls today. So I'll talk to you guys closer to the New York session. Leave gold now. It's going to break out. There's no top wicks. Not a lot you can really do. So I'll see you guys closer to the New York session and we'll jump on the pre-New York market call. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. All right. Where are we? Here we are. All right, guys, I'll let you guys go. Like I said to the guys on Zoom, you just had a massive push there on gold. No top wick on any of the 2 50-minute candles. So sitting here watching this just push down with no entries is completely pointless. You'll end up doing something stupid. So I'll let you guys go. We'll be back live again tomorrow. Same time. Trade safe, don't force it. Stick around to see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe and I'll see you guys then. Peace.